Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have kind of like a bag unboxing, only I don't have the box for it anymore. But I recently got the Senreve Mini Maestra bag, and I got this as a birthday present from Chris, so I just wanted to kind of like open up this bag and show it to you guys and kind of give you my first impressions on it. Okay, so I just took it out of the dust bag, and as you can see, I still have the tags on this bag as well. We actually ordered this bag off of Nordstrom's website because Nordstrom carries some of the Senreve colors, and I definitely wanted to utilize the points. So I decided that the Mini Maestra bag would be the most functional for me, and this is in the color Mimosa Bordeaux. And as you can see, it is kind of in a dark kind of wine red color. So I really like the look and structure of this bag. The leather feels very durable, and from what I remember reading online, it's supposed to be kind of like water resistant, and that's kind of one of the reasons why I wanted to get this. And in my last video, if you watched the Louis Vuitton Pouchette Matisse video, you would probably guess that that's maybe a little bit more delicate bag, softer leather. I would imagine that this bag is more durable and not something that you'd have to worry about getting scratched or anything like that. It does look like it could handle like a little drizzle if you're outside. And one of the reasons why I was so interested in this bag is because it can convert into a backpack, and I don't have any backpacks. Not that I'm super into backpacks or anything like that, but I thought that it would be a nice like variety to have in my handbag collection. Okay, so I thought I'd do a little close-up so you can see this bag better. So there is a little clasp right up here. It just opens up, that button right there, and you can just pull this strap out. Sorry, it's a little stiff. As you can tell, I haven't used this bag yet. So as you can see, there's just one big pouch right up here. There's a pocket in the back with a little button right here that keeps everything kind of closed and put together. The description online said that you can fit an iPad mini in here, which I definitely believe. This bag is pretty spacious. And on the side, there is this little guy to hold your keys in case you have anything you want to put on here and you don't want to lose it within your bag. You can definitely clip it on here. Otherwise, it lays pretty flat to the side, so it won't be getting in the way of your other stuff. Okay, so I just thought I would turn the bag around so you could see this side a little bit better. As you can see, there is a zippered pocket right back here. The zipper opens very easily, and you can put some of your stuff back here. As you can see, there's also two other smaller pockets right next to it, probably where you can like put your phone or other things, maybe a card case or something you don't want to get lost in there. I do like that the inside of this bag is a light color. I feel like it'll help me find, my belongings in here a little bit easier. But let me go ahead and put some stuff in here so you can see what it looks like when it's filled up. Okay, so I filled this bag up with pretty much what I would consider my everyday essentials, stuff that I carry with me all the time. So as you can see, I have my phone down there, my wallet. This is the little makeup pouch that I usually carry with me that doesn't have a lot of stuff, more like things that I need. Also a pair of sunglasses, a card case, and a key holder as well. And you can tell that there is a little bit more room in here. I could probably carry more stuff. Sometimes when I go to appointments and I know I'm going to be waiting for a while, like the hair salon or whatever, I will take my Kindle with me, and I'm pretty confident that it'll fit in here as well. But yeah, I am really looking forward to using this. It definitely looks like something super functional. As you can probably tell, this bag can be carried in a variety of different ways. So you can either carry it from the handle right here or as a crossbody. Depending on how you like to wear your bag. You could also use this over like one shoulder instead of across the body. And the part that I was pretty excited about is converting it into a backpack. So you just need to like pull these parts through. I don't think I can do it with one hand, so hang on a second. So here's what it looks like in the backpack style, and I think this is pretty cool, like in case you need both hands free, maybe you have other stuff to carry, which is one of the reasons why I'm thinking I'll probably be using this a lot for work. Sometimes when I'm leaving the office or going to the office, I have so many things I'm carrying with me. I think this will definitely help me out a lot. I probably need to adjust the straps a little bit. This is on like the longest strap length right now. I think I probably need to make it a little bit shorter. But anyways, this is the Mini Maestra Senreve bag, like I mentioned, in the color Mimosa Bordeaux. I don't have any other bags that are like this at all, material-wise or color or style or anything like that. I personally was looking for a little bit of a pop of color, but something still kind of neutral, which is why I went with this. I do have a bright red bag, which maybe I'll review sometime in the future, but I was looking for something a little bit darker, and I didn't quite want to go for like black or brown because I have another other crossbody black bag that was in my last video, and brown just kind of isn't my style necessarily, I feel like, with crossbodies anyway. But I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I haven't used this bag yet, so I can't tell you how it works or how it functions or anything like that. If you would like me to, I would be more than happy to come back on and talk a little bit more about how I've been liking the bag. Just let me know that in the comments down below. But if you have any other questions, you know, maybe a couple of weeks might have passed before anyone writes a comment down there or anything like that, let me know and I can tell you how it's going. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, or you know, maybe other bag or shoe review videos that I'm planning to do in the future, don't forget to hit subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.